Why didn't I think of that before? Probably it'd take me to the bike trail too. People up here fishing. I didn't even know you could fish up here. Let me find out they got some basketball hoops, so it's gonna go down. You know what? We gonna go out on the main road, then we gonna hit the bike trail. Damn! There ain't even no sidewalk on that side. That's crazy. We gotta go to the light. We ain't got no choice. Maybe if they turn, it'll make the light turn, and then we can make a left. Right now, that's our best bet. Well, guess we gotta crank this bitch up to 4. Hey, we got a light. Nice. Booka, booka, booka. We gotta get across this highway. made it to the bike trail. I ain't trying to go too fast over here. Woo! Psych! I lied. I lied. Woo! I lied. I'm turning this bitch up to 4. I need to get some elbow pads, man, because it's too fun going fast. It's just too fun. Damn, if I was any taller, I'd hit my head. Damn, that's a nice little spot to cool off at right there. That's a nice little chill cool off spot. See, I got my own personal highway. You gotta love it. Own personal highway. So all them over here like this, on the road, I can just be over here like this, just chilling. I've been wanting to test out this little bike trail anyways. And now that I got a way to ride down it, I don't mind. Woo! Lots of farmland out here. See, we're coming up on some pedestrians, so I'm gonna go ahead and slow down. Ripping. Oh snaps, I never seen this before. What they got right here? Some goats? They got goats? Y'all wanna see some goats? There goes some goats right there. It's a private property. Do not bring your black ass over here or you will be shot. Man, it is such a beautiful day. Truly. This reminds me of my Pokemon Go days when I used to play Pokemon Go all day before I had kids and responsibilities. Ain't nobody catching no motherfucking Pokemon no more. If anybody, it's gonna be my kids catching Pokemon, not me. I'm catching these bills. That kind of looked like swamp water. Interesting. Oh yeah, the bike trail was definitely the best option. For sure. I'm gonna make sure I remember that for next time. I can get damn near all the way to the barbershop just by taking the bike trail. You know what, let me save some battery. Damn, I forgot this thing had cruise control. We just set the cruise control. People looking at me like I'm crazy. Hilarious. Well, that's freaking nice. Just double click it and you can set cruise control. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that. I thought I said it. There we go. Now I got it. Oh yeah, that's nice. There we go. So you hold the acceleration, double tap that middle button, and then it goes into cruise control. Now I ain't gotta have my hand getting tired by twisting that throttle. What neighborhood is that? Am I right by Walmart? Wow, I'm right by Walmart, right down the street. That's crazy. Yup, that's crazy. I didn't even know. So you can access that neighborhood right there from right here. What is this? Where am I at? Troy Road? I don't know where I'm at. Oh, yes I do. I'm right down the street from Walmart. Wait, no, we're not quite by Walmart yet. Oh, wait, I think we over here by Sam's Club right now. Yeah, I think we over here by Sam's Club. Yeah, we most definitely is. Wait, did I miss my turn? I think I might have missed my turn, y'all. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I might have missed my turn. Because, yeah, I think my house... let me check my GPS now. I'm just zooming down the bike trail. Oh, yeah. Yup. Yep, I most definitely did miss my turn. Whoops. Well, at least I know I can cut across the grass right here now if I'm over there, so I can easily get home. So that's good. Interesting. Two, bitch! Bitch, this is two! What street is that? You have to figure this shit out. Look at him. Now we over here by Walmart. But I'm about to take the sidewalk all the way down. Now we should be able to hop a curb, but let's see. There we go.